Mwangi, and was in charge with murder and the particulars of the offense are that you, Benson Minor Mwangi, that between the 10th and the 11th day of November 2025 at Mireri Village in Nyandarua Central Sub-County, you murdered the innocent Wahora Mwangi. True or not true?
Sorry? You speak. Mr. Lamont, yes, you will speak. Sorry? You can question the council. Okay, let's be doing the other preliminaries. You have an objection to talk? Yes. There was some other information. What was it? The accused on which I'm basing the mind. In this case, I haven't received. You have not brought us any affidavits. Your case will be held on 17th and 18th February this year. Main trial conference will be held on 26th of January. The accused may be released on a bond of 500,000 shillings, that shall be like some, in default to the remand.